Bukas, September 17, birthday pala ni Coach Phil Jackson, okay? Pang 7, yeah. From 79th birthday. Happy 79th birthday to the Zen Master Phil Jackson. So, yun. Happy birthday sa kanya at sana I wish he had a long life, enjoy retirement, and hindi ka na makakalimutan sa NBA at sa basketball dahil meron ka ng 11 rings as a coach and 2 rings as a player, no? Sipin mo, 11 rings. Ang daming naging magaling na player dahil sa'yo. At he gave basketball a purpose. Not only in an accidental aspect, but yung may purpose dahil dun sa kanyang triple post offense o yung triangle offense. So, yun lang po.